Welcome back to Product Critique, where we help you find the best products for your travels. Today, we're talking about the Mrsdry travel bottles for toiletries, the best TSA-approved travel containers you need for your next trip. If you're someone who's tired of dealing with leaks and spills in your luggage, these Mrsdry travel containers are a game changer. The set includes 4 silicone squeeze bottles and 4 silicone cream jars, all packed neatly in a clear makeup bag that meets TSA guidelines. Whether you're heading on a plane or packing for a road trip, these bottles are the perfect solution for your skincare, shampoo, conditioner, and other essential toiletries. What makes these bottles stand out? First, they feature a 3-layer leak-proof design, which means no more worrying about your liquids spilling all over your clothes. The secure, tightly sealed lids ensure that your shampoo, lotion, and cream stay exactly where they belong. Even if you're squeezing the last drop of lotion out, you won't have to worry about messy accidents. These containers are made from food-grade silicone, which is soft, squeezable, and durable. Their wide-mouth design makes filling them up easy and quick, and you can even fit a brush inside to clean them after use. They're easy to refill, and because of the large opening, you'll never struggle to pour in thick products like conditioner or facial creams. On top of all that, these bottles are lightweight and portable, making them perfect for travel. The included clear makeup bag keeps everything organized and compact, so you can pack all your toiletries without taking up too much space. It's a must-have for anyone who's constantly on the go, whether it's for a vacation, business trip, or camping adventure. The Mrsdry travel bottles for toiletries are available in a sleek black and gray color combination, adding a touch of style to your packing routine. Plus, they're the ideal size for carry-ons, as each bottle is TSA approved with a capacity of 3 ounces. So, if you want a travel solution that keeps your toiletries organized, leak-free, and easy to use, the Mrsdry travel bottles are definitely worth considering. Don't forget to subscribe to Product Critique for more product reviews, and let us know in the comments how these bottles work out for you. Safe travels!